Day 2 of the challenge. Let's go. We banged 577 today. We got one break even and one win. So let's go. And now, guess what it is? It's time for a dance. Right, let's go back straight to the trade recap and see what we did. Let's go. Alright guys, today we banged in 577 USD, counts up 1.5%, execution marks, bang, bang, bang. Took 2 trades, 1 break even and 1 win. So first, let's go my thought process on the break even trade, the first trade we took. So coming into the day, I went onto the 15-minute time frame. Well, coming into the day, exactly the first thing I saw was, wait, we've gone slowly up, then we're coming down slowly down. So my bias was bullish. Why I was bullish? Because we had took out the Asia lows, Asia lows and the London lows, if you see what I mean. Yeah, we've took it once and then we came and swept it again. And also, if I get my Fib retracement and mark out the high and the low of this range, we have this is the best trade, optimal trade entry. This is basically we're buying low and selling high. Simple. Premium discount. We're in a very discounted area, which I love to see. Which also, look at this low resistance liquidity being taken. We could have took the sell, but I was at the gym. I couldn't be bothered. I just want to stick to my one time frame, and at this time I'm just trying to build my consistency. So coming today, we had the trade, we had this Fib retracement, so this was our discount area that I wanted to look for buys, and I had this marked out, and also I had I had this marked out as well. These 2 fair value gaps I had marked out, 5-minute fair value gaps, and I wanted them to get tapped in and show me a rejection or show me displacement or something, some displacement or rejection for me to look for a buy. And yeah, coming into the day, we had the first tap. This is why I took it. So we came down, market came, took out the 9 a.m. low, which was the first 5-minute candle of the 9 a.m. session. Took out the low, we swept, gave us this, and then after we had this FVG. FVG, sorry. If this FVG got inversed, I would have looked for buys and took it to here, but it didn't. It got respected, then came down, slow. Not with big displacement. You can have 1-2 candles, but not with a big displacement, and also didn't close below this. Then this came down, obviously tapped the first 5-minute FVG, but then guess what happened? It never tapped the second one, the last one. So I was thinking, okay, this 5-minute FVG, it gave us this reaction, but it never closed above here for us to give us a change of state delivery, for us to take or never inversed or never disrespected this bearish FVG. It clearly respected it because it rejected it. So I waited. I was kind of getting bored, but I waited. Then what happened was we came, swept this low, also tapped into the 5-minute FVG, the low one, then gave us one reaction. Then I marked this for a change of state delivery. The previous bearish candle, I marked that, and if the candle closed above it, I wanted to see like engulfing or some sort of big displacement. But this rejection was enough for me to be like, okay, this price is trying to say that it wants to go up. So I just waited. I was waiting for this candle to close. It never closed. It closed quite low, and then after this engulfing candle, when I saw this engulfing candle, I was like, yeah, it's time for my trade to take. I took my trade on this. I was targeting clearly here, and then yeah, I went break even on this one. Wait, was it this one? No, yeah, I went break even on here. It was sorry. Yeah, I went break even here. No way, did I? Because I would have gone out. No. So this candle literally gave us a big reaction, and then I was like, okay, I'm gonna go break even. And then the next candle was engulfing, so I was like, if this gets taken out, I'm gonna go break even on this one. So I went break even on this one, and then after I took this one, I was like, okay, I'm confident now. It's probably gonna go to my target and take me out before it's reversing. But yeah, it went up, and then yeah, we know this is a rejection block because this tapped into the 15-minute FVG and a 30-minute FVG, rejected down. So in my eyes, I was like, I need to get my profits out because I was up like 500. I need to like get out. I need to get out, and then I don't know what happened. It just went too fast. The candle just literally shot down before I could decide, and I hit my break even. And yeah, I got break even. And then after I was like, okay, I'm still valid for entry. This is like, we swept this. Obviously, this pullback was just a pullback, just a retracement. So I was like, I want to see some sort of reaction or something to get swept here for me to enter again, and I'm willing to risk. Obviously, I'm willing to take that risk to go again, because I know for sure price came, swept. Look at that nice sweep, and then this is the high, this is the low. And then also, if you get our optimal trading, our OTE, sorry, our fib retracement, as you can see, it gave us a market structure shift or change of state of delivery, then came down for a pullback into the 62% area, below 50%, which is discount area. I was like, okay, this is still in the discount area, so I'm still willing to take a buy again once it comes here. So I waited, and then I saw this candle, then I saw this engulfing candle, and I just took the trade on this candle right here. The second trade was here, and then I was basically targeting the high of this, the high of here, and we got tapped out easily, quickly. So yeah, I went break even the same place. So once this line was still here, so once this like it went above this line, I was like, I'm gonna go break even because it's a fair value gap, so it should hold. Then this fair value gap held, went up, and then I went break even, and my trade was risk free. Of course, I had this small pullback, which I was like, no. Plus, it was the new 4-hour candle, but eventually went into our TP and we banged 577 for the day. That's the trade recap for the day, guys.